Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming equipment and phone settings. Use a PD or Samsung 25W Plus charger and a quality USB-C cable. Make sure your phone reports fast charging in settings battery. Next, close heavy apps and toggle off background sync and Bluetooth if unused, because cooler, lower-load phones charge faster. Once you plug in, watch the charge indicator. If it says fast charging, progress will accelerate. If not, reseat the cable and recheck charger wattage. Now optimize conditions to sustain fast charging. Put the phone in airplane mode or do not disturb to cut network activity, because that lowers power draw and yields faster net charge. Remove bulky cases if the phone feels warm and place it on a cool, flat surface. Thermal throttling reduces charging speed. Make sure you plug the official charger into a wall outlet rather than a laptop or multi-port hub, since those often deliver lower, inconsistent current. To finish, aim to stop regular fast sessions around 80 to 90% for long-term battery health. You can top to 100% when needed. If fast charging doesn't engage, swap in a known good PD25W Plus charger and cable to isolate whether the charger, cable, or phone is at fault. If problems persist, restart the phone, install updates, and inspect the USB-C port for lint. Clean gently with compressed air, because a dirty port often prevents proper charging contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.